Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical 1 based on fault analysis. Here is the given question and you have to study the given question very carefully so that we can apply our whole concept. A 3-phase 20 MVA 6.6 kV alternator is connected to a 3-phase transmission line. The per unit positive, negative and zero sequence impedances of the alternator are J0.1, J0.1 and J0.04 respectively. The neutral of alternator is connected to ground through an inductive reactor of J0.05 pu. Full stop. The per unit positive, negative and zero sequence impedances of transmission lines are J0.1, J0.1 and J0.3 respectively. All per unit values are based on machine rating. Full stop. A solid ground fault occurs at one phase of the far end of the transmission line. Full stop. The voltage of the alternator neutral with respect to ground during the fault is. If you will get to know what the question is asking, you will definitely get answer. This question looks like it's very difficult, but it's not. Let us start. So guys, you have read the question. So either you can write or you can go reverse and then you can see. Now I'm going on the another page. So we have one generator and whose rating is 3-phase 20 MVA and 6.6 kV. Let us make one generator here first. Let us understand the question clearly. A 3-phase generator connected with transmission line, a very long transmission line. We can assume this line to be unloaded basically, and Zn value has also been given. Zn value is equal to J 0.05 here, and Zg1 is equal to J 0.1, Zg2 is equal to J 0.1 and Zg0 is equal to J 0.04. For the transmission line, Z1 is equal to J 0.1, Z2 is equal to J 0.1 and Z0 is equal to J 0.3. All these values have been given. Now what is saying? It is saying that if an SLG fault takes place on any kind of phase, then calculate the voltage neutral this Vn with respect to ground. Means we have to calculate Vn minus 0 volt means Vn volt. We know that the ground potential is 0 volt. Either you can represent Vn02. So starting, so if I want to calculate this Vn0, then we know that this will be In and this will be equal to 3 into IR0. So the current in moving upward through this inductor, so plus minus sign will be look like this, and now we can apply the KVL like this. So what we can write is minus of Zn into In minus Vn0 is equal to 0. So Vn0 will be equal to how much? Minus of Zn into In means minus of Zn into In means 3 into IR0. So Vn0 we can say that minus of 3 into IR0 into Zn. The value of Zn has been given and we have to calculate the value of IR0. So the value of IR0 we are going to calculate. So we want to calculate the value of IR0 in case of single line to ground fault analysis. So we can calculate 1 at the angle of 0 upon Zg1 plus Z1 plus Zg2 plus Z2 plus Zg0 plus 3Zn plus Z0. You know that this is Z0 because Zn has been given, so Zg0 plus 3Zn plus Z0. So putting all this value, I R naught will be equal to 1 at the angle of 0 upon ZG1 value. In we know that the value of ZG1 is equal to J0.1 plus Z1 is equal to J0.1 plus ZG2 is J0.1 plus J0.1 and plus ZG0 is J0.04 plus 3 into Zn means J0.05 plus Z0 value. Z0 has been given J0.3. So this we want to calculate. So this value will be equal to IR0 will be equal to minus of J1.1235. So putting this value of IN in this given equation, so Vn naught we know that minus of 3 into IR naught. IR naught we have calculated minus J into 1.1235 into Zn means J0.05. So Vn naught value will be equal to minus of 0.16852. So if we want to calculate the actual value, because this is your per unit value. So if you want to calculate the actual value, then what base values you have to multiply? You want to multiply by phase voltage or line voltage? Always remember, otherwise you will get wrong answer, because guys seen here, this is your neutral point and this is your zero voltage. So we will take the base voltage. Line voltage we will take then when we will find out the line values, and this is not the line value. So what we are going to do is Vn naught in actual will be equal to minus 0.16852 into the voltage has been given 6.6 into 10 to the power 3 upon root 3 phase value. So Vn naught is coming out to be minus 642.2 volt. You also can see from here that in the given question that if this is zero voltage and current is flowing in this direction, so Vn naught will be at negative terminal because this is at zero terminal. So the answer is minus 642.2 volt. And this question has been asked in GATE examination for 2 marks. So it was very important question. So here it is all about this numerical. Thank you.